Busy professionals, does this sound familiar? Long workdays, packed schedules, and by the time you get home, you're absolutely knackered. You open the fridge, see nothing but wilted lettuce and that questionable Tupperware from last week. So what do? You order takeout again. Listen, I get it, finding time for proper nutrition when you're constantly on the go is a bloody nightmare. But today, we're tackling this head on. We're going to stop making excuses and start making healthy happen, even with the busiest of schedules. Welcome to Food Hacks for Busy Professionals Time-Saving Nutrition. Let's be honest, the idea of meal prepping after a long day at the office, it's enough to make anyone reach for the takeaway menus. The truth is, most of us find the whole process of planning and prepping healthy meals absolutely overwhelming. We build it up in our minds thinking it's this massive undertaking, and then we end up doing nothing. And you know what happens when we do nothing? We end up making unhealthy choices out of sheer convenience and exhaustion. We've all been there, staring into the abyss of the fridge, praying for a culinary miracle. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. We're going to strip away all the complexity and give you simple, actionable hacks that will save you time and, most importantly, fuel your body properly. We're talking about strategies that even the most time-strapped professional can implement. No more excuses, alright? Right, let's start with breakfast. It's the first meal of the day and sets the tone for everything that follows. A good breakfast can fuel your body and mind, giving you the energy and focus you need to tackle whatever comes your way. The most important meal of the day and often the most rushed. Mornings can be chaotic, with everyone in the household trying to get ready and out the door on time. But that doesn't mean you have to skip breakfast or settle for something unhealthy. We haven't got time for elaborate spreads, so we need something quick, nutritious, and easy. Think about options that require minimal preparation but still pack a punch in terms of nutrition. This way, you can ensure you're starting your day on the right foot without adding stress to your morning routine. Overnight oats are a lifesaver. They are incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Plus, they can be prepared the night before, saving you precious time in the morning. Chuck some oats, chia seeds, your milk of choice, and some fruit into a jar the night before, and boom, breakfast is sorted. You can even add a dollop of yogurt or a sprinkle of nuts for extra protein and crunch. The best part? You can grab it and go, eating it at your desk or on your commute if needed. Or how about a pre-portioned smoothie pack? Smoothies are another fantastic option for a quick and nutritious breakfast. They are easy to make and can be packed with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other healthy ingredients. Get yourself some freezer bags, throw in your favorite fruits, a handful of spinach, and some protein powder. You can even add some oats or chia seeds for extra fiber. Label the bags and store them in the freezer so they're ready to go whenever you need them. In the morning, just blitz it all up with some water or juice, and you've got a breakfast that's ready faster than you can say, "I'm late for work." Smoothies are not only quick and convenient, but also incredibly nutritious, providing you with a balanced mix of vitamins, minerals, and protein to kickstart your day. And if you're really in a pinch, a good quality protein bar can be a decent option. While it's not ideal to rely on protein bars every day, they can be a lifesaver on those particularly hectic mornings when you just don't have time for anything else. Just make sure to check the ingredients and avoid anything with a laundry list of unpronounceable additives. Look for bars that are made with whole, natural ingredients and have a good balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Now, lunch. We're not talking sad desk salads here. Lunch should be something you look forward to, not a chore. It should be satisfying and nourishing, giving you the energy you need to power through the rest of your day. Pre-packed salads are your new best friend. They are convenient and can be packed with a variety of fresh, colorful ingredients. The key is to make them interesting and flavorful, so you actually enjoy eating them. But we're not talking about those pathetic supermarket ones drowning in dressing. Those can be unappetizing and often contain hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Get yourself some good quality containers and pack them with a rainbow of veggies, some lean protein like grilled chicken or chickpeas, and a tasty homemade dressing. You can prepare these salads the night before or even batch prep them for the week so you always have a healthy lunch ready to go. And for dinner? This is where your slow cooker or pressure cooker becomes your secret weapon. These appliances are perfect for busy individuals who want to enjoy a home-cooked meal without spending hours in the kitchen. These bad boys are a godsend for busy professionals. They allow you to prepare your meals in advance and cook them slowly over the course of the day, so you come home to a delicious, ready-to-eat dinner. Chop up your ingredients in the morning or the night before, chuck them in the pot, and let it work its magic while you're out conquering the world. You can make a variety of dishes in a slow cooker or pressure cooker, from hearty stews and soups to tender meats and flavorful vegetarian dishes. You'll come home to a delicious home-cooked meal without lifting a finger in the evening. It's a no-brainer. Plus, using a slow cooker or pressure cooker can help you save money by allowing you to buy cheaper cuts of meat and cook them to perfection. So, with a little planning and preparation, you can win the day, one meal at a time. Chapter 3, Meal Prep, like a boss. Your weekend secret weapon. Now I know what you're thinking, Gordon, you've lost it. Meal prep sounds like a daunting task, especially when weekends are supposed to be for relaxation and fun. I don't have time for all this cooking. My weekends are already packed with errands, family time, and maybe a little bit of me time if I'm lucky. But here's the thing. Dedicating just a few hours on the weekend to meal prep can be a complete game changer. Imagine starting your week with a fridge full of ready-to-eat meals. No more scrambling to figure out what's for dinner after a long day at work. Think of it as an investment in your health and sanity for the week ahead. By spending a little time up front, you save yourself from the stress and hassle of daily cooking. Plus, you get to enjoy nutritious homemade meals every day. Put on some music, pour yourself a glass of wine, just one, mind you, and get chopping. Make it a fun and enjoyable experience. You can even get the whole family involved. Kids can help with washing vegetables or mixing ingredients. Batch cooking is your best friend here. By cooking in large quantities, you maximize your time and effort. Double or triple your favorite recipes and portion them out into individual containers. This way, you have multiple meals ready to go. Double or triple your favorite recipes and portion them out into individual containers. This method not only saves time but also ensures you have a variety of meals to choose from throughout the week. Soups, stews, chili, roasted vegetables. These are all great options that will keep well in the fridge or freezer. They are versatile, nutritious, and can be easily reheated for a quick meal. And don't forget about grains. Grains like quinoa, rice, and couscous are excellent bases for a variety of dishes. They are easy to cook in large batches and can be paired with different proteins and vegetables. Cook up a big batch of quinoa, rice, or couscous at the beginning of the week, and you've got a healthy base for countless meals. You can use them in salads, bowls, or as a side dish. Label everything clearly with the date, and you'll have a fridge full of healthy, homemade meals ready to go. This helps you keep track of what needs to be eaten first and prevents food waste. And here's a little chef's secret: freezing is your friend. Many meals can be frozen and reheated without losing their flavor or texture. This is perfect for those days when you just don't feel like cooking. Portion out your cooked meals into freezer-safe containers, and you've got an arsenal of healthy meals ready to go whenever you need them. Just make sure to label them with the date and contents. Just defrost overnight in the fridge and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. No more last-minute scrambling for dinner ideas or resorting to unhealthy takeout options. No more last-minute takeout temptations. With a little planning and preparation, you can enjoy delicious homemade meals every day of the week. So, grab your apron and get started on your weekend meal prep adventure. Chapter 4, Snack Attack. Conquer cravings the smart way. Now let's talk about snacking. Snacking is often seen as a guilty pleasure, something we do when we're bored or stressed. But it doesn't have to be that way. With the right approach, snacking can be a healthy and enjoyable part of your day. We all get those mid-afternoon slumps when our energy levels plummet, and our stomachs start rumbling. It's that time of day when you feel like you could use a little pick-me-up to get through the rest of your tasks. But before you reach for the chocolate digestives or that bag of crisps, let's talk strategy. It's easy to fall into the trap of grabbing the nearest snack, especially if it's something sugary or salty. These quick fixes might give you a temporary boost, but they often lead to a crash later on. Snacking doesn't have to be your downfall. In fact, it can be a great way to keep your energy levels up and avoid overeating at mealtimes. The key is to choose snacks that are nutritious and satisfying. In fact, it can be a great way to keep your energy levels up and avoid overeating at mealtimes. When you snack smartly, you provide your body with the fuel it needs to stay energized and focused throughout the day. The key is to be prepared. Planning ahead can make all the difference. When you have healthy snacks readily available, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy options. Keep a stash of healthy snacks at your desk or in your bag so you're not caught out when hunger strikes. This way, you can satisfy your cravings without derailing your healthy eating habits. Think almonds, walnuts, a piece of fruit, some Greek yogurt, or a small pot of hummus with veggie sticks. These options are not only nutritious but also delicious and satisfying, or a small pot of hummus with veggie sticks. These snacks provide a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which can help keep you full and energized. And here's a golden rule. Pre-portion your snacks. It's far too easy to mindlessly graze through a whole bag of nuts or crisps if you're not careful. By pre-portioning your snacks, you can control your portions and avoid overeating. It's far too easy to mindlessly graze through a whole bag of nuts or crisps if you're not careful. When you portion out your snacks ahead of time, you can enjoy them without the risk of overindulging. And don't underestimate the power of hydration. Sometimes, we mistake thirst for hunger. Drinking water can help you stay hydrated and may even curb your cravings. Sometimes we mistake thirst for hunger. When you feel a craving coming on, try drinking a glass of water first. You might find that your hunger pangs disappear. Keep a large bottle of water on your desk and sip on it throughout the day. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining your energy levels and overall health. If plain water is getting a bit boring, try adding some slices of lemon, cucumber, or fresh herbs for a refreshing twist. This can make drinking water more enjoyable and help you stay hydrated. Or fresh herbs for a refreshing twist. Infused water can be a delightful way to stay hydrated, and can even add a bit of excitement to your hydration routine. Herbal teas are also a great option and can be very soothing, especially on those days when you're feeling stressed. They come in a variety of flavors and can be a comforting way to stay hydrated. So, the next time you feel a craving coming on, remember these tips. With a little planning and the right choices, you can conquer your cravings the smart way and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. So, there you have it, my friends. Eating healthy on a busy schedule doesn't have to be a recipe for disaster. With a little bit of planning and these simple hacks, you can reclaim your time, fuel your body with the nutrients it needs, and absolutely smash it in both your professional and personal life. Remember, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. And trust me, a little bit of effort goes a long way. Now, what are you waiting for? Get out there, get organized, and start nourishing your body with the respect it deserves. And remember, you're not alone in this. We're all in this together. Now go forth and conquer those kitchens. And for God's sake, stop ordering takeaway.